Hi, my name is Katie Zarco Cardoso, and I'm excited to show you the brand new feature that will allow you to generate client IDs in bulk. The All Clients report will now give staff the functionality to select multiple clients and generate multiple client IDs at once instead of on an individual basis. The All Clients report can be accessed by clicking the app drawer and by selecting the Clients tab within the app drawer. Staff members with the permission to manage the client profile can generate client IDs in bulk by selecting the clients they wish to generate the IDs for. So I'm going to select these 3 clients here. And then I can head up to this 3-dot button at the top of the report and click Generate Client IDs. And we can see that 2 of the 3 client IDs have been successfully generated, which means that one of these clients already had an ID generated. This is important to note because if you accidentally select a client that already has a client ID in your system, their current client ID will not be overwritten. If a staff member without the correct permission enabled tries to generate IDs, or you're trying to generate an ID for a client who already has one, you will get an error message at the top of your screen and you will not be able to rewrite an existing client's ID. So right now I am not logged in as a staff member who has the correct permissions enabled. So here I am going to try and generate an ID for Marissa Witherspoon. Going to come up to this 3-dot button, click Generate Client ID, and we can see that I get an error message that I do not have the required permission to complete this action. This new feature is especially helpful when a business needs to generate multiple client IDs at a time so that they do not need to go into individual client profiles to generate those client IDs. And that's everything about generating client IDs in bulk. Thank you for watching.